So working with over 5,000 families around the world, mentoring them, a lot of them mentoring them through bullying, we found that there are 5 common misconceptions, common things that parents believe which are actually completely false. So the first thing is that when a child goes through bullying, it doesn't just affect the child, it affects the whole family. The next thing is that bullying often occurs underneath the radar. It occurs under the radar because the first thing to happen when a child is being bullied is a breakdown in communication. The next thing is that so often when a child goes through bullying and they're a victim in the situation, they haven't got a way to process what's happening to them. And so later on in life, they actually become the bullies themselves, and there's this flow of negative energy. The next thing is that there's a very, very simple process to help mentor your child through bullying. There's a 6-step process, which we call the Not a Victim system, which we've designed from working with lots of families. The final thing is that bullying is one of the major 3 transitions a child will go through. The first one being adolescence, the next one being changing schools, and the third one being bullying. Bullying has got this amazing power to either make or break a young person's character. A child can emerge from a period of bullying and turn into a very anxious or nervous child, which really stays with them for life, or they can emerge stronger, with a stronger sense of self-worth and a strong confidence. But what we found as instructors is that we can really mentor children through this difficult and challenging process so that they end up being incredibly confident, having a very strong inner voice, and having the confidence to live a happy and successful life as an adult.